శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీ దేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 4th స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Maitreya explaining about Dhruva's sons Utkala to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Utkala, he is the one who always thinks about Paramatma. He realized that this entire universe is filled up with Paramatma. He also realized soul is an embodiment of eternal bliss. But because the soul is in the body, that bliss, that wisdom is masked. Only when the soul surrenders to Paramatma, after the soul departs from the body, and when the entire karma, bandham, is totally washed off, then soul attains an eternal bliss. Utkala realized all these facts. That is why Atmanaha Anyam Tada Na Aikshata. Utkala would never see anything other than Paramatma in this entire universe. He is able to see Paramatma everywhere. But the ministers of that kingdom and elderly people of that dynasty could not realize this Utkala's enlightenment. They all felt that this Utkala is mentally retarded. That is why those ministers did not do Pattabhishekam to this Utkala. But they have taken Vatsara, who is the son of Brahmi and Dhruva. They made Vatsara as the king of kingdom. Vatsara's wife's name is Svarvidhi, and they are blessed with Pushparna, Tigmaketu, Isha, Vurja, Vasu, Jaya, 6 sons. And Pushparna is married with Prabha and Dosha, 2 wives. Pushparna, Prabha, they got 3 sons, Prataha, Madhyandina, Sayam. And Pushparna and Dosha, they got 3 sons, Pradosha, Nisidha, Vyushta. And Vyushta got married with Pushkarini. They got blessed with Sarvatejas, 1 son. Sarvatejas' wife's name is Akuti. They got son Chakshushu, Manum Avapaha. That Chakshushu is 6th Manu. That Manu's wife is Nadvala. And they are blessed with sons with the names Puru, Kutsa, Trita, Dyumna, Satyavana, Ruta, Vrata, Agnishtoma, Atiratra Pradyumna Sibi Vulmuka. Like that, Maitreya explaining to Vidura. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.